welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a while, but since the time I moved to Coimbatore, I've been busy taking care of Sam and also managing all the household stuff. So I don't get the time to shoot or edit videos, but finally I got some time to do this. As you would have made out from the title of the video, yes, we are going to be doing a very quick and simple makeover of the entryway or the foyer. To start off, I've cleaned up everything. It actually helps you to plan better. So you can see that it is a very spacious entryway that we have with a lot of natural light. So the very first thing that I wanted to tackle was the open shoe shelf that we had, shoe rack that we had. So I'd got one from Amazon during the Great Indian Festival. So this is the one. So yeah, this is a DIY shoe rack. So you have to build it by yourself. So we did that. We had a good time doing that. So this is Sam trying to help us when we were trying to build it. The reason why we went for this particular shoe rack is because of the color combination. So it has this beautiful white door and a natural wood finished panel, which it gives a very elegant look. I wouldn't say it is very strong because it's made of MDF, but it does the job for me. Like, it covers up the messy open rack. So we have like 3 racks inside it. It is quite spacious. So we actually lost a screw, that's why the top rack is missing. But even at the bottom we have 3 racks, so you can easily fit in about 20 pairs of shoes or even more. Like if you have your kids' shoes, you can fit in more of those. So I loved how it turned out. Yes, it's a bit difficult to adjust the door heights and all that, but yeah, you have the instructions that are given and you can do a pretty good job yourself. To add more beauty to the space, I have styled the top of the shoe rack with some basic decor. So the very first thing is this beautiful planter that we got from a nearby nursery in Coimbatore. So I've just placed a money plant in a bottle of water, so it adds that fresh green look to the space. Then we have this DIY Christmas trees which I made out of yarn. So I loved how the light reflects from the inside, so I wanted to try it out and it turned out to be pretty good. I also have styled it with some stickers on top. It's quite simple and it's something that you can try it out with your kids probably. And I've also used this beautiful Christmas ornament with the golden stars which go along with the stickers that I've used to decorate the Christmas trees. And then we have this painting which I tried out. So this was the very first one which I'd done with watercolors and it turned out good, so I thought of adding it here. Next is this frame with a picture of Sam. This was actually taken in the hospital on the second day when he was born. So this again is a DIY that I had tried. This is actually supposed to be a succulent with pistachio shells. So I planned on painting it green, but I like the natural finish of it because it goes along with the shoe rack's panel. So I just let it be. So I placed 2 of these in a beautiful glass tray which we use to keep the keys. If you'd see, most of the decors are actually DIYs, so it's something that you can try as well. Moving on to the last one, I felt that the side panel was sort of empty, so I wanted to add something there and I got this plant, artificial plant, again from Amazon. I loved how the green color goes so well with the natural finish of the shoe rack. And this plant also looks quite realistic, so it's something you can definitely go for and it's quite affordable. So that's it with the decors on the shoe rack. So coming to the side space that we have, I placed a sanitizer spray so that we can use it as soon as we get back home. And this is again a DIY. So I actually had this mini pot which I had got when we got a succulent, so I used that and painted it white and the stones to make it look like a cactus. So yeah, we have it here, and then at the bottom we have a dustbin which we have placed so that we can throw all the masks that we use and when we come back home. and that is a can of sanitizer. We actually use a lot of sanitizer, so we just went in for a can of it. And then here I have a chair for Sam so that he can sit down and put on the shoes when we are stepping out, and he doesn't have to walk around the house to find a space to sit. And since it's Christmas, I have placed a small Christmas tree on the other side of the entrance. I placed it on a wooden table, which again we got it from Amazon during the sale. I'd got it as a side table to use it next to the bed, but I'd ordered a smaller one by mistake. But since Sam loves to sit on it and play, we decided to keep it. This small tree is actually our very first Christmas tree that we got. So I always love to decorate it even though we have a bigger tree now. It has all these beautiful memories, and it also is a reminder of how we started a family and how much things have actually changed. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment and share, and show your support by subscribing. And also let me know in the comments if there's something you would like to see, and I'll definitely try to make some of those videos. And I've also got many other videos coming up on how I decorated the living room, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching and Happy Christmas.